Chandrayaan is a highly complex mission which is a lander and rover to the unexplored to the moon. Why Chandrayaan 2 launch? The primary objectives of Chandrayaan 2 is to lander where the demonstrative and ability to soft and operate the robotic rover to the lunar and the scientific study behind the orbit are to study the topography and elemental abundance and mineralogy and the lunar exosphere and the hydroxylic and water ice. When was Chandrayaan 2 launched? The Chandrayaan 2 was launched on 22nd July 9:13:12 at AUT, means at Universal Time. This spacecraft to the mission to the moon was launched from the Satish Dhawan Center of the Andhra Pradesh. Now the Chandrayaan 2 was failed. The India's ambitious mission Chandrayaan 2 was failed. The Vikram was founded. The Vikram crashed at the moon. It is crashed on 7 September and that is the scientists got it in December. This happens because the Vikram not landed on the intended location. That's why it was hard to finding the Vikram. Thank you.
Launching of a rocket is based on Newton's third law of motion. When it fuels inject, it burns and mixed with chemical reaction and complex with the hot gases. Through it, the tremendous force, the downwards direction with the force of rocket at the tail of rocket at the expelling gases exert as the equal in magnitude as the opposite to the direction at the force of reaction of the force is upwards direction as this true force of is greater than the net downwards force in magnitude to the force is moving upwards direction. Thank you.
Chandrayaan 2 is the lunar exploration mission developed by Indian Space Research Organization. After Chandrayaan 1, these include the Vikram lander and the Pyagram lunar rover, all of which were developed in India. It was launched on 22 July 2019 at Satish Dhawan Space Center. Chandrayaan 2 is highly complex mission. It significant technology to leap the compared to the previous mission of ISRO.